Tonight, a judge is blasting investigators in a local child murder case. Michael Patino is awaiting trial for the death of his girlfriend's 6-year-old son in Cranston back in 2009. But prosecutors will not be able to present much of the evidence which they say proves young Marco Nieves was murdered, because the judge in the case says police collected it illegally. Eyewitness News reporter Sean Daly joins us now live outside Superior Court with the latest developments from the Providence Mobile Newsroom.
In one of the longest Superior Court decisions, and this isn't even all of it, in recent Rhode Island history, a judge threw out the bulk of the prosecution's case against a man accused of murdering his girlfriend's young son. Michael Patino sat in Superior Court today after Judge Judith Savage decimated the state's case against him. He's accused of murdering his girlfriend's 6-year-old son, Marco Nieves, in 2009. But now, in a blistering 190-page decision, Judge Savage threw out most of the prosecution's case, quote, based on the tsunami of illegal evidence collected by the Cranston Police Department.
You have a few people that appear to have been a little underhanded in their handling of the evidence.
Judge Savage threw out text messages, all cell phones and their contents, all cell phone records, and, quote, critical portions of the defendant's videotaped statement and his written statement given to the police. The judge wrote that the defense showed that, quote, numerous sworn statements made by police officers in a dozen warrants were either deliberately false or made in reckless disregard of the truth.
You need to get a search warrant before you can stop a person and suddenly go through their text phones, their telephones, looking at text messages, looking for evidence of any kind of criminal activity.
Shouldn't the Cranston police have known that?
I think it seems to me that most of the police departments in Rhode Island understand that you have to get a search warrant before you search a cell phone.
This murder trial is now set to begin on Monday, but it may be delayed if the prosecution chooses to appeal today's ruling. Coming up new at 6, the defendant's reaction to the ruling. Live at Superior Court with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Sean Daly, Eyewitness News.